my channel. My name is Dillard and I do talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. Well, today I am going to do a collective haul on some places that I've shopped, either in person or online, and then I'm also going to unbox my Delta box that I got for the month of November. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? I do upload videos once a week, and that is on a Sunday. And also subscribe to my Instagram channel. I do upload inspirations every other day. So I do want to show you this outfit that I have on. This is one of the best from my Delta box from the last unboxing that I did. And I love this jacket, this vest. It is so warm. It's so warm on the inside, and I paired it with some jeans. If you can see, some jeans, and it's, of course, my booties. And today is not a good hair day, so I put the first hat on that I saw that I knew that was going to be able to cover everything as well as my ears. So again, enough with all this rambling. Let's go ahead and get started with the things that I have purchased as well as the unboxing. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get going with the haul. So I don't know, yeah, let's go ahead and do the unboxing first because I get so excited when I do get my Delta box. So I hung them up. Okay, so the first thing that came out of my box was these lounge pants. Aren't they pretty? And then I loved how they have the little design at the bottom. It's red and white stripes, and then of course the same thing that's here at the top, as well as our symbol with the tie up that you can tie them up. And then it's, look, it's some good material, nothing cheap. Okay, so thumbs up to you, my Delta girls, my Delta Soras, my sisters that put this together. I love these pants, and I will be wearing these on Christmas, lounging around at home for the holidays. I love them. And as an FYI, my box is always a size medium. If you would like to know, everything that I purchase is a medium. Also in the box, isn't this just too cute? I don't know if I were to wear this with a red turtleneck or a white cream turtleneck. I don't know, you guys tell me what would go good with this sweater. And look, the same design that is here, it's on the sleeve. I just love it. And look, it's not no cheap material. This is good quality, and I love it. I just can't wait to wear this. I'm thinking that I could wear this with some cream pants, with some red. I have red tennis shoes. I'm looking at the vision here. Some red pants, red joggers. You know, this is something to be comfortable. I love it. Of course, the symbol. Okay. All right. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is my what I purchased when I went to Dillard's. This particular time, Dillard's had an awesome sale. I'm really getting into the big glasses that everybody is buying, and Dillard's had so many on sale that I just could not resist. So the first pair that I want to show you are these. What do you like these? What do you think? Let me put them on. What you think? I may need to go to my eye doctor so they can put my prescriptions in here, so I can not just sport them just to look good, but to sport them just to use them when I'm reading and etc. What you think? Come a little closer. You like these? Yeah, I purchased, they were on sale and they were like $12.99. A great sale. And it came with this case. This is a leather case. It is from Marvy Bye. That's the name. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And it came with a cleaning cloth for these. Okay, that's not it. I bought another pair of glasses. What you think? Look good? I think I can sport these. I'm either gonna get my prescription put, I think I'm gonna get my prescription put in these, because with these, I can wear them with so much. All right, so this, I don't know the name of these, but it came with an ugly case. This is just ugly, very cheap looking. So, of course, I'm gonna buy another case to put these in, but I just love them. These were a little higher than those. These was like $17, and these were 50% off. Okay, so a great buy. Couldn't resist it. You know, I just love buys. And another thing that I purchased is some shades. Ray-Ban. I am a Ray-Ban girl. And they had their shades. There was a lot to choose from. And I bought these Ray-Ban. Okay. And they were 50% off plus an additional 30% off. I think that's what it is. But anywho, I paid $60 for these with a discount. I just could not resist that deal. Ray-Ban. So I got these, and of course they came with a Ray-Ban case, and in the case you got your cloth and then your packet that came with it. A great steal. I could not resist myself. You see a good sale, you can't stop. You gotta keep on going. You gotta keep going. All right, so I purchased one more thing from Dillard's, and let me get it. Oh, let me see here. My favorite designer, Jessica Simpson. Jessica, let's talk. Let's see what we can do together, boo-boo. Bam. When you see these, you're gonna be like I was. So, are you ready? Ready? I cannot wait to sport these. Bam. You guys, what do you think? You can't tell me these are not gorgeous. I have not seen no one with these shoes on. And the detail, look at the diamonds that are on here. And then the best part, you don't have to take the shoestrings. You just zip. Bam, put it back on. Oh, I just love these. And the heel is not too high. It's just, it grips. It'll be able to grip while you're walking. These were, I think they were like $156, but they had a 30% off, and I paid $88 for these. I love these. These are gorgeous. I have not seen anyone with these on. I can wear a white jogging suit with this, a black outfit with these. Oh, check out my Instagram page so you can see the inspirations that I'm gonna put together with these bad boys. Oh my God, I love these. I'm just sitting here dreaming, thinking about what is it that I can wear with these shoes Because remember, anything that I purchase, it is going into my mind. What can I do? Will I benefit when I buy these? And yes, I'm a benefit of these. So in love with. I had to download the app. My sister Dorothy showed me how to do it, and I done downloaded it, and I am just, oh my God, I am hooked. Belk will send me these coupons in the mail, and then when I go to the app coupon, I can't stop. But anyway, so let me show you what I purchased. And some of my items, they did arrive, and then some are still being processed because of, you know, the holiday season, things are in backlog. But hey, I don't mind waiting because the deals was outstanding. So the first thing that I purchased, because I do need a silver herringbone necklace. I have a gold and I needed a silver, and all of their silver was 80% off. So I bought this. I paid $11 with 80% off. Ooh-wee, I can wear this with black turtleneck. Then I was thinking about buying me a charm to put on here like I did with my gold. Like I did with my, I bought an elephant pendant, elephant charm. So I'm thinking that I'm going to do the same with my silver chain. It's either that, and I was thinking about buying me a dream chaser charm. Where I can find one, please let me know, because I will purchase it. I'm looking for that charm. Thirsty. If you want to know what this is iced coffee. I make my own coffee, and then I put it in the refrigerator, and I just put my cream in it. Why go buy coffee already cold when you can make your own? Duh. Anywho, so my next pair of shoes, white boots. Guys, these boots, you won't believe this. They were on sale for 50% off. Then another coupon for an additional 30% off. You wouldn't believe how much these boots were. Put in the comments what you think. I'm gonna tell you it away. $8. These are the Sugar brand. Oh my God. And when I put these on, when I tried them on, these are 7.5 just in case. They were so comfortable. They were so comfortable. And I'm a person saying to myself, okay, Shoe Dazzle, you're going to have to do better than this, because Belk got you. You beat. I'm about to cancel my VIP with you and do my rewards with Belk, because you can't beat this. All white leather. This is leather. It's not pleather. It is leather. $8. You guys. Oh my God. And it feels so, and it's just so soft in here. Oh my God. I'm just, my vision with a white body suit and a black and white coat. Girl. Next pair. You guys, I have a tall pair, and I've always wanted a small pair. And when I saw these, I said, I'm gonna put these in my little cart, just in case. They look like Uggs. They're beautiful. And when I put them on, they're so comfortable. They good grips. Oh my gosh, these are so great. I can see myself with a brown top with some cream leggings and these on. That's a deal. This was a deal. So you guys, go to Belk if you have not. What are you waiting on? And guys, I'm waiting on my other items to come, and when they come, I'm gonna most definitely show you what they are. Guys, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and I hope that you loved every item that I did show you, because I love every item. I will have everything listed at the bottom for you. If you have any questions regarding any of the items that I did show you, please leave me a comment and let me know. If you haven't subscribed, like I said before, what are you waiting on? I do upload videos every week, and happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas. Be safe. Until the next video. Bye-bye.